Welcome to another video from the Healthy by Nature channel. Here you will find tips and information on how to stay strong and healthy both physically and mentally. For that, just sign up. It won't cost more than a few seconds only. Also activate bell and you will be notified whenever we release a video. Leave your like and share with more people, so everyone will have access to more knowledge. Hello. Today we will talk about a plant common in some regions of Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, among others. In Brazil, it is found in several regions, from the northeast to the south of the country. The Ora-pro-nobis. Its scientific name is Pereschia aculeata. It is an edible plant with several medicinal properties, providing several health benefits, such as preventing anemia, improving bowel function, weight loss, preventing premature aging and reducing cholesterol. The name Ora-pro-nobis is of Latin origin and means pray for us. The name reflects the plant's popularity in Catholic areas, where it is grown in backyards for use as food during Lent, when many people do not eat meat. The advantage of this unusual food plant lies in the fact that Ora-pro-nobis is rich in fiber, proteins, iron, vitamin A and vitamin B3, nutrients with antioxidant, lipid-lowering, laxative, and hypoglycemic properties. Ora-pro-nobis can be used to complete the diet along with other sources of vegetable protein, such as rice and beans, for those following a vegan or vegetarian diet. Leaves. The leaves are succulent and oval or egg-shaped. It is green and has small thorns on the edges. Flowers. The flowers are small, white, or yellow and arranged in clusters. Fruit. Ripe fruit is red. Although edible, it is generally grown more for the leaves than the fruit. Some benefits of Ora-pro-nobis. 1. Helps with weight loss. Ora-pro-nobis is rich in fiber, which helps with weight loss because it forms a type of gel in the stomach, promoting satiety and helping to reduce food intake. Additionally, Ora-pro-nobis is a low-calorie food, which makes it a good vegetable option for weight loss diets. 2. Improves bowel function. Thanks to its large amount of fiber, Ora-pro-nobis helps with digestion and good intestinal function, prevents constipation, polyps, and helps prevent intestinal tumors. 3. Strengthens the immune system. Ora-pro-nobis is a plant rich in niacin, a vitamin with antioxidant properties that strengthens the immune system, improving its functioning and protecting protective cells from damage caused by free radicals. 4. Prevent anemia. Ora-pro-nobis contains a lot of iron, a mineral necessary for the formation of healthy red blood cells, which helps prevent anemia. However, to prevent anemia, Ora-pro-nobis must be taken with foods that are a source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient for the absorption of iron found in plant foods. 5. Maintains eye health. Because it has excellent amounts of lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that have antioxidant and photoprotective action, Ora-pro-nobis protects the eyes against damage caused by ultraviolet rays from the sun and against the blue light emitted by computers and cell phones, maintaining eye health and helping to prevent cataracts and macular degeneration. 6. Prevents premature aging. Because it is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin A and beta-carotene, Ora-pro-nobis helps reduce damage caused by free radicals to healthy skin cells, preventing premature aging. 7. Prevents diabetes. Ora-pro-nobis is rich in fiber, a nutrient that controls blood glucose levels, because it slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, helping to prevent insulin resistance and diabetes. 8. Lowers cholesterol. Ora-pro-nobis helps reduce cholesterol as it is a plant rich in fiber, a nutrient that reduces the absorption of fats in the intestine, reducing blood cholesterol. Furthermore, the presence of antioxidant compounds in Ora-pro-nobis, such as flavonoids and beta-carotene, also prevents the oxidation of fat cells, controlling cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood and helping to avoid the emergence of situations such as heart attack, atherosclerosis and spill. 9. Regulates metabolism. Ora-pro-nobis helps regulate metabolism because it is rich in niacin, a vitamin that promotes the proper functioning of the body's cells and organs, converting carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into energy. 10. Helps prevent cancer. Ora-pro-nobis is a plant rich in flavonoids, lutein, and zeaxanthin, bioactive compounds with antioxidant properties. Ora-pro-nobis helps prevent the development of cancer by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. How to consume? Ora-pro-nobis leaves, fruits and flowers can be included in various recipes, such as salads, omelets, jams, pies, breads, juices, stews, pesto sauce and pasta. Ora-pro-nobis is also available in powder form for use in breads, cakes, pasta, pancakes, juices and sauces. There is also the option of taking it as a supplement in capsules. There is no specific limit on the amount of Ora-pro-nobis that should be consumed, but the minimum daily recommendation is 2 to 3 servings, or 160 to 240 grams per day. It is important to mention that to obtain all the benefits of Ora-pro-nobis, this plant must be part of a balanced and healthy diet that involves regular physical activity. And then? Did you like this content? Was it relevant? Added more value and knowledge? Post here in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications. Share with friends and relatives so that more people have access to this content. Leave your like, so YouTube understands that this information is relevant and makes it reach more people, so that everyone enjoys more health. Live a full life, face your challenges with faith, eat right, move with joy and walk hand in hand with happiness. Until the next video.